If you're looking for a place to teach online, I want to tell you about a little company that I found that I haven't heard anybody talking about. This company is called ClassUp. I did apply to this company, so stay tuned for a review. But today I'm going to tell you what I found out about this company, who's qualified, what you'll teach, what it looks like, how to apply, all the cool things, what you get paid, all of that. So ClassUp is a company based in the US in Silicon Valley. I believe they only hire from the United States, but I'm not 100% sure about this. I couldn't find any information to that specific question, but they do talk about US tax forms, so I think that they only hire from the US. In order to apply to ClassUp, you have to have a minimum of a bachelor's degree and 3 years of teaching experience, and online teaching experience counts too. You're going to be teaching K through 12 math, ELA, or SAT, so they're looking for teachers who have a strong foundation of K through 12 math, ELA, or SAT. And all of your work is 100% remote, so it's all online teaching. You're also going to have to be able to pass a background check. They do ask that teachers can commit to at least 6 months and be able to complete the full 12-week cycle for each of their students, but there is no limit as to how long you can work for them outside of that. They say the application process takes about 2 weeks from the time you apply to the time that you start teaching. When are peak hours? So your students are going to be American children, so the majority of your students are going to take classes after school and on the weekends, so you'll want to be available then. Once you have classes scheduled, these are going to be for a fixed amount of time, so you'll have the same student every week at the same time. Some students are going to take classes once a week, some twice a week, some 3 times a week. All of their classes are one-on-one classes, and students are required to take a minimum of 12 weeks worth of classes. But a lot of their students have been on the platform for years. So to get classes, ClassUp is going to assign you classes based on your availability, the subject, the grade level, the needs of the student, and any special needs that they might have. Classes can be booked 24 hours in advance, unless you select short notice bookings. Then you can have classes booked up to 2 hours in advance. If you're looking to get more bookings, it's probably a good idea to put short notice on there and just keep an eye on your schedule. ClassUp teachers are going to use the company's personalized learning plans, their systematic curriculum, and their materials. So how much does ClassUp pay? The base pay is $20 per hour for K through 12 math and ELA classes, and $23 per hour for SAT classes. You will be paid the 10th of every month directly to your bank. When you go to apply, and I'll put the link in the description box, you are going to see the subjects that you can teach, as well as any experience that you have teaching special needs like ADHD, dyslexia, etc. You are also going to need to upload your degree and your resume. If you work for ClassUp, or if you do the application, leave a comment and let me know what you think about it. This company sounds a lot like the SpaceX school, Synthesis, where it's a little bit harder to get into. They say that they only accept less than 1% of applicants. If you're looking for other companies to apply, I do have a whole playlist filled with other companies that I found, so make sure you check this out over here. Click the link and I'll see you over there.